Every DevOps engineer, every cloud developer, every backend team on the planet runs on this one tool. If you don't know Docker yet, you're already behind. Let's fix that, right now. Hi guys, welcome to Hanin Dhiya Tech channel. Today I'll show you how to install Docker on Ubuntu the official way, plus the post-installation steps most tutorials skip. Open the official Docker website. This is the official documentation, always the safest source for installation commands. Open your terminal and create a new script file. Please type this command. Press I to enter insert mode, then paste Docker's official apt repository setup. This part adds Docker's official GPG key for security verification, then registers Docker's repository so apt knows where to find it. Press escape, then type :WQ to save and exit. Type command WQ. Now make the script executable. chmod plus x docker.sh. Run the script. Type command /docker.sh. Enter your sudo password. Now let's install the actual Docker packages. Sudo apt install docker-ce docker-ce-cli containerd.io docker-buildx-plugin docker-compose-plugin. When prompted, type Y to continue. After installation, let's verify Docker is running. Type command sudo system-status docker. You can see the status shows Docker is active and running. If Docker is not running for any reason, start it manually. Please copy this script. Sudo system-start docker. Let's verify the installation is truly successful by running the Hello World image. Please copy this script. Sudo docker run hello world. And there it is, we successfully ran our first container. Let's check all containers, including ones that already exited. Type command sudo docker psa. And check the installed Docker version. Type, command, Docker version. Now let's continue with the post-installation steps. This is the part most tutorials skip, but it makes your daily workflow much easier. Manage Docker as a non-root user. By default, Docker requires sudo for every command. Let's fix that. Please copy this script. Sudo groupadd docker. Then add your user to the Docker group. Please copy this script. Sudo usermod ag docker $user. For this change to take effect, restart your Ubuntu machine. Type, command, reboot. After rebooting, let's check our Docker images. This list is empty right now since we haven't pulled any images yet. Type, command, Docker images. And let's check running and stopped containers one more time. Notice we no longer need sudo, because our user is now part of the Docker group. Type, command, docker-ps-a. That's it. You now have Docker fully installed and configured on Ubuntu, ready for real development work. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Hanin Dhiya Tech channel for more Docker, Linux, and DevOps tutorials.